Today, I want to show you the evolution of a carrier car seat installation in the car from belt system, which is more difficult for parent daily usage and is higher chance making mistakes during installation. Then we have a fixed base installation that make parenting life much easier. And now we have a carrier built in with Isofix system where you do not need a belt or a base during installation. And now parenting life is much more happier when you achieve the real convenience, space saving, and yet ensure safety. Tell me, let's welcome the latest Joie Signature Sprint Isofix carrier from UK. Joie Sprint support from newborn up to 75 cm, maximum 13 kg. Let's see the interesting part of this carrier. Come with 3 adjustable Isofix level to fit in different car with different Isofix ankle. To remove the carrier in the car, easily pull the trigger at the back of the carrier and you're ready to go in travel system. Let's check out the outer look of Joie Sprint. There's a huge canopy with extendable until fully coverage and a ventilation window, and the material is a UPF 50 plus with water repellent. Multi-position ergonomic handle carrier with leather touch, curved base for rocking and relaxing, grow together headrest, removable body support for custom fit, and it is washable. It uses plush deluxe cushioning and fabric materials. 3-point harness with shoulder and lower buckle cover and a one motion to tighten up. Tri-protect headrest offering 3-layer security from the wing toward the headrest, including the Intelli-Fit memory foam. Joie Sprint is compatible with most of the Joie stroller. They come with adapter. For example, Joiefinity, Parcel, Pack Pro, Tourist, and many more. Joie Sprint comply ECE R129 European Safety Standard. It's also approved by Myros JPJ Malaysia. It comes with 2 years product warranty, lifetime service warranty, and the lifetime 1-to-1 crash action warranty given by My Lovely Bee to you. In summary, Joie Sprint best recommended for parents who want a simple, convenient, and easy to use carrier. And most important, it's only 4.12 kg. Let's check out Joie Sprint at My Lovely Bee for extra value. Follow us for more new arrival product review.